Hi everyone! Today we are exploring the new Color Passion Eyeshadow Quads, 5 gorgeous palettes with infinite possibilities. To create looks that match your mood, your vibe, and your style, whether you love soft everyday glam or bold statement eyes, these quads make it easy and fun. Color Passion is all about expressing yourself through color. These palettes were inspired by today's hottest beauty trends and combine matte and shimmer shades that work beautifully together. With 5 different quads to choose from, there's truly a look for every mood and occasion, from soft neutrals to bold pops of color. Color Passion lets you get creative and have fun with makeup. The best part, you can mix, blend, and build the intensity exactly how you want it. These palettes are perfect for everyone, from makeup beginners to beauty lovers who enjoy creating glam looks. The formula is intensively pigmented, super blendable, and feels smooth on the skin. Plus, they're formulated without talc and include a built-in mirror, making them perfect for beauty on the go. And my favorite part, each quad gives you infinite possibilities to explore the passion for color in every look with intense shades and velvety smooth textures. Now it's time to bring the look to life. Whether you're a makeup beginner or a beauty expert, follow along and recreate this stunning amethyst look. Let's watch the tutorial. Infinite possibilities using the Color Passion Eyeshadow Quad in Amethyst. With a flat eyeshadow brush, pick up the shade Rosy Beige, a soft nude tone that's perfect for creating the base of the look. Top off the excess and apply it all over the eyelid. What I love the most about these shadows is how buildable they are. You can keep it soft or natural, or layer it for a more dramatic glam moment. With our crease brush, we're going into this gorgeous rich purple tone, the shade Deep Plum. Remove the excess and softly blend it into the crease using light sweeping motions. Slowly build the color little by little. Blending is the secret to getting that beautiful seamless finish. And remember, there are no rules in makeup and you have to trust the process. Using your fingertip, pick up the shade Rosy Champagne, a stunning pearly rose beige, and gently tap it into the eyelid. This adds the perfect touch of shimmer and instantly brightens the entire look. Using this angle brush, take the shade Deep Plum. Let's define the eyes even more. Softly, line the lower lash line to give the eyes more depth and definition. You can create infinite possibilities, everyday looks, or bold glam looks for a night out. This is where you can really have fun and get creative. Using the Confident Curl Mascara for a dramatic volume lifted lashes. And I also love that this palette comes with a built-in mirror and the perfect size to take anywhere with you. It makes doing your makeup so easy whether you're at home or on the go. And this is the final look using the Color Passion palette in the shade Amethyst. How beautiful was that look? The eyeshadow quads make it so easy to create soft glam eye with the perfect balance of color and shimmer. Remember, these palettes are designed to help you elevate your look and style. Now, it's your turn. Which color passion look will you create next? Have fun mixing, blending, and showing off your passion for color. Thank you, everyone.